Hello children, good morning. How all are doing? Okay, and today we are discussing about the chapter, that is first chapter, that is my family. My family means, what is family? Family means a group of people who are related to each other and live together constitute a family. A group of people, a group of people who are related to each other, who are related to each other and live together, live together, constitute a family. Means ಒಂದು ಪರಿವಾರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪರಿವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನರ ಗುಂಪು. ಜನರ ಗುಂಪು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಗುಂಪು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿವ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಒಂದೇ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಮೈ family or a family. It is my family. Is it clear? Okay, in my family, here one poem has given, that is, they are the people on whom I can depend. They are the people they are the people on whom I can depend. If I get in trouble, they shall defend. If I get trouble, they shall defend. Small poem is given for you to learn. They are the people who understand. They are the people who understand. And always willing to give me a hand. Always willing to give me a hand. Okay, here my family start with the basic definition of family, that is a group of people who are related to each other and live together constitute a family. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿವಾರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೋಯಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, that is, they are the people on whom I can depend. They are the people on whom I can depend. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯಾರು? ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೀಪಲ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆನ್ ಹೂಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರು, ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರ ಆಶ್ರಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆಶ್ರಯ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ means your family members on whom I can depend. ನಾನು ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ I can depend on them, because in a family, in your father and mother are living with you, where you always ask them for chocolates, books, pen. Means what it means, that you are depending on your family, depending on the family members. If you want a food, you go to your mother and ask your mother, mom, that give me a food, right? Means that you are depending on your mother, right? And various, like money you want, then you are going to your father asking for the money, right? And here you are depending for the money on your father, right? And if I get in trouble, If I get in trouble, they shall defend. They shall defend means they protect. Defend means protect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, right? If I get in trouble, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, trouble means any type of problems, any type of problems. Trouble means problems. They shall defend. Trouble means problem, defend means protect. Defend means protect. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಯಾರು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗೂ ಸಹ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ so sad, right? They are the people who understand. They always understand you. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ನನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ give me a hand means they always have a helping hands. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವವರು. ಹೂ ಶೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, next, they are always willing to give me a hand. Give me a hand means help, to help. Is it clear? I hope you are understanding the what does the family means. And here something they have given. First they ask you to write the 3 lines for your family members. Okay, write 3 sentences about your family. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮದರ್, ಫಾದರ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಬ್ರದರ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರೈಟ್ 3 sentences about your family. 3 sentences. Your homework is 3 sentences about your family. First line I will help you with. The first line here, my family is a joint family. Joint family. I already said in the previous class what do you mean by joint family and nuclear family, right? Nuclear family means only you are living with your parents. Okay, joint family means you are living with your extended family, like your grandparents, and your cousins, your uncle, auntie, all included in a joint family. Here one line I helped you and the remaining 2 you have to write on your own. Is it clear? And the next thing they are saying types of the family, and after this what they are saying is what are the types of the family. I already taught you in previous class types of family. That is first one, nuclear family. Nuclear family. And second one, joint family. Okay, here the nuclear family is a small family. Nuclear family means what? Small family consists of only parents and their children. Small family where parents and their children. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ವಿಭಕ್ತ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncles, aunties and cousins. It is a big family. It is a big family where grandparents, parents and uncle, aunties Cousins means children of your uncle or auntie. Cousins and children. Cousin and children. Okay. Here, joint family means it is a big family. Nimma big family means grandparents like grandmother, grandfather, parents ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿಗಳು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆಂಟಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ. ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? What you call cousins. In English you are using a cousins. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಂಟಿ ಮಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಮಗ, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, they are called as a cousins. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, family relationship. Here cousin means child of your aunt or uncle. Child of your aunt or uncle, that is children of your uncle or aunties. Next one, family relations. Andre relations ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, relations ಅಂದ್ರೆ how you are relating with your relatives. How you are relating with your relatives. I hope you are understanding what are the types of the family. That is nuclear family and joint family. Now here you understood grandparents, parents, uncle, aunties and children. We'll go to that family relations. That is family relations. Okay, the first one, grandfather. Grandfather. What in Kannada you used to say as a ajja, tata, right? Here grandfather is a father. Your father's father is called as your paternal grandfather. Means nimma paternal. In a grandfather you are calling two types, that is paternal grandfather. Grandfather. And one more, maternal grandfather. Maternal okay. Paternal grandfather and maternal grandfather. Paternal grandfather is the father of your father. That is fathers of your father. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? That is fathers of father. Okay. And fathers of your mother. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? Fathers of mother. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? That is father's mother or father of father. Okay. Here what you are calling paternal grandfather is a father's father or fathers of your mother. Father of your mother or a father's mother. Sorry. Excuse me here. That is paternal grandfather means father's father and maternal grandfather means mother's father. Mother's father. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಅಜ್ಜಂಗೆ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಜ್ಜಗಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ your father's father and mother's father. ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. Some people call as a tata, right? Here that person, father's father is called as a paternal grandfather and mother's father is called as a maternal grandfather. And here one more, that is grandmother. Innೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? Here it will come under family relations. Okay, grandmother, ajji, paternal grandmother, paternal grandmother means father's mother. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ತಾಯಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ತಾಯಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. Maternal grandmother, that is your mother's mother. Your mother's mother. Mother's mother. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ಸೈಡು, ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ಸೈಡು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತಂದೆಯ ತಾಯಿ, ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್. Grandfather, grandmother. Next one, uncle. Okay, here your father's brother is called as your paternal uncle. Paternal uncle and maternal uncle. Paternal uncle and maternal uncle. Okay, father's brother, and here mother's brother. Mother's brother. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಮ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಾವ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಯಾ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಮ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅವರ ಮಾವ, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ರೈಟ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ uncle, and here it is a maternal uncle. Okay, next one is auntie. Aunt, you are calling as aunties, it's actually aunt. Okay, aunt means here that is a paternal aunt and maternal aunt. Here paternal aunt means you are calling as a father's sister, and mother's sister. Here paternal aunt that you are calling as a atte. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ತಂಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಅತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆಂಟ್. Aunt only you are calling. Here in locality we are using as a auntie, but actually it is aunt. That is paternal aunt. Father's sister. Father's sister. And next maternal aunt. Chikkamma. Houda? Here maternal aunt, that is she is the sister of your mother. That is mother's sister. Mother's sister. They are called as your aunt. Okay, and the next thing, you already know about your cousins. You already know about your cousins. That is, cousins means they may be the children of your uncle or aunt. Children of your uncle or aunt. Cousin means child of your uncle or aunt. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಮಾವ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ, ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯರ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆಂಟಿ. And here if you are having more cousins, then it will be writing as a cousins, children of your uncles and aunts. Okay, and the next thing, that is okay, here some creative corner they have given. If you are having a textbook, then do it. Creative corner means just mention your, take a photograph of your family members. If you are having a photograph of your family members, do creative corner. They have given one activity for you. One activity kottidare, that is paste the photographs of any 4 members of your family in the given spaces. Also write the sentences of each for them. Andre you are having one column in your textbook, right? And there they have given you 4 columns. Okay, right? Just attach 4 photos of your family members. Maybe it is a grandfather, grandmother, if you are having a joint family, and if you are having only mother, father, brother, sister, then just stick the photograph and write some one sentence about them. If you are father, what quality of your father is, that you have to write here. Okay. Next, family tree. I hope you are understanding what I taught you now. That is in the first class where I already taught you about some family tree, and here also we are having a family tree. Next thing is family tree. Tree means you know that how the tree will be. The tree is very huge one, very big one, where it is having a leaves, fruits, right? Leaves, fruits, petals, everything, and a roots, stem. The same way, if the family means it is also having a maternal side and paternal side. That is, I just write you here. If your mother and father are there, here the paternal side, one side, paternal grandfather and mother. Paternal grandfather and paternal grandmother and grandmother. Where it is comes from paternal side, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ side too. And here the maternal grandfather and grandmother. Okay. From where it started your family tree? From your grandparents. And here where you are having first one uncle I am having for my father, and one one aunt I am having for my father, and one more is my father. Here for my grandfather and grandmother there are 3 children, that is one is my uncle and one is my aunt and one more is my father. That is totally 3 members are there for my grandmother and grandfather. The same way for my maternal side, for my mother, my mother is there and my uncles are there, uncle is there, one more aunt is there. One more aunt is there, right? And here what? My mother and my father got married, and now we are the children for my father and mother. Is it clear? From where it came? From paternal grandfather and grandmother and maternal grandfather and grandmother. The same way you also have to draw the family tree. In a previous class also I asked you to draw the family tree, and now I hope you have the clear-cut idea about the family tree. That is paternal grandfather, that is the side of your father, and here the maternal grandmother and grandfather, the side of your mother, right? In here I just show you one example, that is your father is having one your father is having one sister and one brother, and the same way your mother is having one brother and one sister. Okay, after that here you are the children of your father and mother, and if it is they are also getting married and having the children, where you are calling as uncle will marry someone and some aunt, and aunt will marry some uncle, and their children you are calling as a cousins. Okay. And if you are having here, if you are having a brother and sister, you mention it. Okay. Here also same. Okay. Draw one family chart. Draw one family chart. Okay. And next one is family values and habits. Means ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಗುಣಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, values and habits. What are the habits and values? We'll discuss in a next class. And today I'm just giving you homework, that what I said you. First homework is, that is write 3 sentences of your family. What is the homework I have given? First one, write 3 sentences about your family. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಲೈನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ family value, draw the family tree. Draw the family tree. I just shown you the family tree. The same way you have to draw your family tree. Next one, that is attach 4 pics of family members and write one sentence about them. One sentence about them. Okay. Today's homework is write 3 sentences about your family. Okay. About your family. Draw family tree. You have to draw the family tree. I have already shown you. And attach 3 pics of your family members. Write one sentence about them each. Okay. And here, if you are having a textbook, directly attach it. If you are not having, do on your one drawing sheet or a A4 sheet. Okay. If you are not having, do it in your A4 sheet. Take one A4 sheet. Okay. Okay, I will conclude this class, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and do with your homeworks and take care of yourself. Okay. I hope you people are understanding my family. Okay. In the next class, we'll discuss about the family values. Okay. Take care up to that. Take care. Thank you.